Today, we have been here with the police and the fire personnel searching the hills and searching around and the farms and going as far back as to nearby Pepper. And this video, we are really asking for citizens around who might have seen young Georgiana to see if you can alert the Manchester police or the family members. I'm going to ask one of them to give a number in a moment. And just to say, look around and see if you see this child. All is not entirely well with her, and we are optimistic. We are praying that she will turn up, that someone will see her and can alert the family members. As you can see, the family members are distraught and they are very concerned because Georgiana has been missing since Wednesday. So this is a general appeal to the public and specifically persons living in and around the Spice Grove community to be on the lookout for this child and see if you can put out an alert to the Manchester police or the family members. Mommy is going to give a phone number that she can be contacted on.
787-3378. Georgiana is 15 years old. She was wearing a pink blouse, brown slippers, blue and white jeans pants. Anyone seen her? I'm begging and pleading. Please return her to her mom, her dad, and her brothers and other family members. I beg of you. Thank you.
And we just want to say, we are going to be asking of the police, see if you can dispatch the K9 unit so that the dogs can follow a scent and be able to make the search more effective. We are appealing also to the Jamaica Defense Force. Whatever you can do to aid in the search of this young lady, we would like all hands on board so that this search can be effective. Thank you.